Ready for the big parade?
Yes.
All right. There's Daddy and Sandon. Hi, Sandon.
Hey, Mommy. No, you want it out?
Okay, go.
Go.
Mommy, the
Go.
pool is
Come
open.
on, you guys. We need to get to the parade before you...
Where is that?
It's supposed to be coming.
When the dog's barking, he's making me do some barking sound.
That's right.
We have to walk right behind the flag right now. I can picture you guys. Yeah, you can just do like.
Hi, Grayson. Okay, here comes wait, here comes Daddy and Sandon.
Want them to get their face painted now? Look how cute.
Well, she won't leave the parade right now.
It's okay, keep going.
Say no thank you. We can do your knees. Oh! Okay, Hannah, chill. Hannah, stop. Daddy is waiting for you. Okay, wait for Daddy. He's coming. Hannah, don't go yet. Okay, go ahead, Hannah. Go on, Hannah. Hi, Sandon. Lift up his little steering wheel. Lift up his the ledge with the flag. Yeah. Sandon.
We're gonna make it yell sound.
Papa J.
Forward.
Hey, Grayson. Hey, Addison. Addie. Addie. Look how cute they look.
It looks so cute with the black hair in between.
Oh no. Grayson and Sandon look about the same size on this video.
When did that happen?
Yeah.
Wow, he's big, man. Looks like Oreo cookie reverse.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's watching.
Dance. Do y'all like dancing? Look at Grayson. Huh?
She's got rhythm. I wish you could see her. Hey, Grayson, why don't you show Hannah the way you dance? Shake it, Hannah and Sandon.
Dance. Look at Addie dancing near the speaker.
I know she loves it. With her finger
It's all Wendy.
Wendy, hurry up.
Look at Addie dancing in front of the speaker. Look at her.
Trying to get on the tire. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, she's like, I'm going to fly. Oh, get her back. Get her back. Oh, no, she's not. You should see him, Kim, from the front. Sharp. Get him down front. Oh, you want grandma?
Get down, Sandon.
One, two. Boom, boom, dim, dim, one, two. Boom, boom, dim, dim. Watch her. Ready? Two. Then they swam right over the dam. Did a one, two. Boom, boom, dim, did a one, two. Oh, these are dam girls. Yay! Yay!
This is Shannon's second birthday party. Hi, can you say it's Shannon's birthday?
Hey, I rented out my house, and
Hey,
he said
Rachel.
when I came
Cousin
back,
Rachel.
My card. They took my card. Two more cards that were the good cards. Oh, really?
There's Nolan.
Hey, buddy.
Let's go to the ball.
I saw you on tennis.
You did? What's going on?
Look right here.
Where's your daddy today?
He's always out. He's always playing with
He's playing golf, probably,
We'll
huh?
throw him in here. I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Come right here. I'm staying right here. Look, let's throw him in there. One.
He's a Hey, Maddie. You like that song?
Did you go yesterday to Bo's?
Birthday party?
At the bowling alley? No, I did not.
Okay.
So you don't have one
I'll swing you two more times. Then
I didn't go. You didn't? No.
We do.
Kim took
And
the
what it was-
eyes. Well, it's nap time. It was
fell
2 to
off
5
right in
and
the middle
Mike's
of
and playing golf. 2 to 5? No, 2 to 5. Yeah.
One time. Hey, you want to help right here?
Hey, Jane, will you put his hat on now?
Ah, there we go.
Oh, look at the birthday
Roast it up, Look at him eating that icing. Get it. Anybody else gonna eat that cake? Oh God. Oh my God.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, so is my bedroom and shut the door. And it's in my nightstand.
Don't wipe him on your sister.
Oh, he's giving you some, Hannah.
Hey, Kim, let me change your diaper.
Yummy, yummy.
Very good. Crazy.
Oh boy.
Hello.
Yum, 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 yum.
Big bite.
Oh my
Nice, that ice.
Oh my God. He's just a monster. Look at him. He's eating the paper too.
Here you go.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Oh, here you go. The bell.
Hey Grayson, look. Grayson. Hello. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you don't want to...
Wave. You guys wave to me. You guys look. Look here, you guys. See you later.
In there now.
Sandon.
Passing blood all day yesterday. David, he's got some kind of little tool or something.
Look, I take your picture, Hannah. Look. Hannah. Hannah, you guys look. Look. Look.
I was probably fed on games. Blackjack or baseball.
Sandon, look.
I know somebody who won.
Sandon, look at me. Oh, yeah. Hello.
Today is July 13th, it's Nana's birthday. There's Sandon and Rachel, little Rachel McClinsky.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
There's Aunt Jan.
I bought that on our anniversary before she was born. It was a couple months before she was born, actually. So I didn't know about it.
You're in here with your cousin.
And we were down the shore and this is this real fancy gift shop.
There's Ryan. There's Hannah Banana. Hi, Hannah. You're the cheerleader? Oh, please. Oh, good Lord.
Yeah, he didn't make the attempt.
This is the geriatrics ball team. It's easier.
Yeah, it is. I'm sure it's easier for you guys.
That's what David said. He's like, I'd rather have it here. Hi, Sandon.
Oh.
Guys,
Yeah?
Doesn't smell like crabs at all. You wouldn't even know they were in there.
And Dan, I mean, I know, I'm very
I saw
thrilled.
the candles.
Yeah. And Dan actually came by.
Did he?
got him.
Chopped a little card off for Jean. Yeah. And he's like, well, Kimberly, you know, make sure you don't let David bag up the... Hi, Sandon.
Did he take his, oh, I thought that was his diaper sitting down there.
No, Dave, it was a little to clean the slide off. A monkey boy.
He's good at that.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to do.
Trust me, he's been doing it for a long time.
Is Shannon pregnant? Oh, here we go.
Bro, look at him.
That's a little yoga move. He's good
I
at
know,
that.
isn't
That's
he?
hard.
He watches his mommy. Sandon, you are crazy. Hi, Sandon. Hi, Hannah. Cutie.
Sandon. Don't jump on him. Oh, be careful. Give it back to him. Give it back to him.
Oh, buck up, son.
Come on, Sandon.
Go get her.
Sandon. Oh. You're okay.
Where's his Blue's Clues ball?
You're okay, buddy.
Where's Sandon? What happened? Oh.
You're okay. Check it. What happened? What happened? Let me see. Okay, I'll bet. Okay, let him have a try. Here you go.
Anybody know where his Blue's Clues ball
Who
is?
wants to play with that ball?
Okay, here we go. Would it be in the house
Sandon.
Yeah, Jean.
or out here?
Night-night. It'd be in the house, Jean.
No, you guys, don't play around like that. Hey, go down. He wants to slide through. Sandon. No push. No push. No push. Sandon.
Sandon, here's your ball.
Uh-oh, Sandon, where's the ball?
Hey, I gotta,
Blue's Clue. Don't step on his feet. His fingers. Come on, Sandon. Go get Blue. Where's Blue ball? Come on, over here. There it is. Go get it. Boing. Boing. Boing.
Oh, that's real nice. Get him, Sandon.
Just keep filming over
Go get Ryan, Sandon.
And look,
there. They're done.
tumbly.
I think my daughter must be way in the back.
Gonna start pushing shortly. See,
Film them being
there's the doctor. There.
Hold on, let me get the baby Ruth.
There's Nancy. There's Lisa. The baby Ruth.
Right? I'm having a little back labor.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
It's different. Well,
The
China
room.
Phillips.
That's gonna be the baby's little bed tonight.
China Phillips, Wilson Phillips, the cute little blonde.
Okay. I think we're gonna start pushing.
These 3 people.
So I'll get back to you.
Oh, what time is it, y'all?
5:10. I know, I'm gonna be real precise about the time.
What time is it?
I'll be real
Ten after
precise.
5:10?
Oh, jeez. Hello? Hello? Who's this? Oh, hi, Heidi. It's Lisa. She's pushing. I know. Okay. All right, sweetie. Bye.
Get everybody on record.
Who's that?
That was Heidi. It's like, God, you called me. Okay.
It's so hard when you're not in the room.
I know. I couldn't keep myself away.
I figured that.
I'm glad you came.
I wanted to stop at Starbucks, and I said, no, if I miss the baby because of Starbucks, I won't.
And I
got
would have
plenty
been
of
pissed if
caffeine
you
over
only
there.
came in with one of them.
Well, I was going to bring 3.
What'd you say?
I was going to
So we
bring
got plenty
one.
of caffeine over here.
They both got hooked on Starbucks.
Those caramel frappuccinos.
Or the coffee frappuccino.
I don't like the caramel as well.
Oh, you don't? Really?
It's too sweet.
I was going to bring you one, Kim, but then I was worried about time.
That's why I feel like I'm not going to reach out pushing. I know I'm strong enough to do a big push, but
Just think of those lower abs.
yeah. Real hard. My baby's head's right there.
Oh.
You need a deep breath, Kim. Push that as hard as you can.
Does he have hair?
Yep, there's hair.
Does he have hair? I just asked if he had hair.
I think that was the coolest thing to see.
Girl.
You'll fall off my bed.
Yeah. We don't want you to fall over. They do that work. Go ahead and just sit on there. Yeah. There you go.
You said you learned more every once
I did. Great. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Come on, Kim.
All right, Kim.
Relax.
Lisa, you need to be I'm seeing. That was a good one.
You feel it? I feel high pressure.
Not, I don't love my daughter, but she's had her moment in the phone.
Which one?
Oh no, that's somebody's phone. Just let it ring. I think that might be yours.
Will it interfere with the monitors? Or no?
They said no. They said it won't.
No, mine has a song to it.
Oh, well, then it's fine.
High tech one. Mine probably wouldn't even
Probably
ring.
Hillary.
Turn my back and you have the baby.
You missed the excitement.
Not fast enough.
And I gave you credit for delivering it a long time ago.
I just think the miracle of birth.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's hear it.
Sweet.
Let me just see him for just a minute. They get a big yell out of him. Oh.
Oh, Kim, he is beautiful.
He's got the family jewels.
Congratulations. Oh, listen to that.
He's out in Sandon, and I still haven't get a free tear.
This is the same.
It's building up a big shot. Look at it, look. It's stuck, it's here. He's our lightest haired one yet.
Yeah. It's not gonna like that.
This is where we're going. This is where they need. Hey, David. Show Lisa the flash. Oh, no, I thought you might be doing this to Lisa. Click on the flash. Did it pull equipment at you? See that little button on the side? Yes. There you go, right there.
You just want to get up that one yellow and you got cord gas?
Deborah, did you have a security tag here? There was none.
You did a great job then. No, but I don't understand why the flashing's going off. It's been going on. Press down the button and then let it beep.
Hey, cutie pie.
And let relief. Oh,
Look
hold
how
it down
cute
till it
you
beeps.
are.
Until it beeps. Okay. And then just click it hard when it's ready.
I think something's wrong with it.
Yeah. Oh, step back a little bit maybe, or put the zoom out or in a little bit. There we go. All right.
Deborah, you got a hand stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't want to go.
He is so cute.
So pink.
Oh,
So cute.
He is beautiful.
I think it's gone.
it looks like he's got those live tags like things. It looks that way. It's hard to say that he's so,
Oh boy.
but he's long. You know how Sandon was the fat, short, fat?
Yeah.
That's why you were feeling those feet, honey. He's got legs that won't quit.
Look at that. Such a cutie.
He's all well, I don't know. He's got the wet bumps on his little legs already. Like Hannah.
They're making fun of you, boy. Do you hear that?
There's little
I'm
legs.
telling you, I think he looks
Speak
like
up and
Hannah.
say
Do you?
something.
Well, you know,
I think I've been outnumbered.
I think he looks like Hannah.
if you move the
Yeah,
camera,
he
let me
looks like
look. Let me
Hi. She was having the day right when you called at 5:20. I'm not kidding. The phone was ringing on the other side of the room watching it. I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so she's doing good. She did great. She just did great. I mean, I was expecting like some screen or something. Yes.
Give each one a worry about
Oh,
this.
the eyes are like Hannah.
I cannot get that band to hook.
Oh my God, look at his eyes.
Look at him.
I wish you could get
And
one
put that on his leg and somehow attach that to it.
Can you see him on the other side? Where the little eyes are? I mean, can you get his eyes?
Looks a lot like Hannah.
Oh, it
But
does.
I got tired of messing with it. He needs to
Losing
love
it.
him. Mom wanted him so.
I can't tell what both eyes look
Yeah,
like.
I put the one on his wrist.
Okay, I'll just call back in a few minutes.
Oh, it reminds me so much of her with the little,
It's got one of
doesn't
the,
it?
the little thing is just like,
The same
I
eye.
guess he's sticking her a little bit now. Yeah. Which way? This way? I know, yeah. Yeah, it's awesome.
I tried holding it
I'll call you
up
a little later.
and it just doesn't.
Okay, sweetie. Okay. Bye-bye.
I don't, you know.
No, you're fine.
She said to give you a big hug and a kiss.
The left eye, I did a little bit. Yeah, I need to ask Marilyn because she came up with some way of doing that